Want to create videos for free? These 5 AI tools turn your ideas into videos instantly, zero cost. Here on Daily AI Tools, I test these so you don't have to. We're counting down from 5 to number 1. At number 5, we have Pika Art. This tool gives you 80 free monthly credits to create AI videos. And trust me, that's plenty to get started. The quality is impressive, especially for creative and artistic content, perfect if you want that unique, eye-catching look. Coming in at number 4 is InVideo AI. The free plan gives you 2 video minutes per week, perfect for testing or creating short content. It's incredibly beginner-friendly, just type a prompt, and it generates a complete video with stock footage, voiceover, and music, all automatically.
This foundation is designed to enhance, not cover up, your natural beauty.
Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you love discovering new free AI tools. Number 3, Pixverse AI. This one's perfect if you want to turn your ideas into fun little videos in seconds. You get 60 free daily credits, and there are even more ways to earn extra rewards just by using the platform. It's super easy to use. Type your idea, pick a style, and watch it come to life. Give it a try. You'll be surprised how fun and easy it is. Number 2, Leonardo AI. This one's amazing if you want high-quality cinematic videos or stunning images. You get 150 free daily tokens, so you can create a few projects every day without spending a cent. The motion feature looks super realistic, and the interface is easy even if you're just starting out. And finally, number 1, CapCut AI Video Generator. This one's a total game changer. You can turn a simple idea or script into a full video with voiceover, captions, and effects. In just a few clicks, it's completely free, and everything runs right in your browser. If you want fast, polished results without editing skills, CapCut's your go-to tool. And that's a wrap. Those are the top 5 free AI video tools you can start using today. Whether you want fun clips, cinematic videos, or quick social media content, there's something here for everyone. Don't forget to hit subscribe and follow for more free AI tips and tools. Which tool are you most excited to try? Drop it in the comments. I can't wait to see what you create.